Hi everyone, today we are going to make chocolate fried bread. For that you will need to prepare 6 slices of bread, 6 pieces of dairy milk chocolate and 1 egg. First of all, you need to take 1 slices of bread, take 1 pieces of dairy milk chocolate, flip the bread and use the glass to prop it nicely. Now let's dip the bread in the egg. Yeah, that's it. Now let's fry one by one. Each side need to be cooked around 15 to 20 seconds. Just put the fire on normal flame. Alright, now we already fried everything. Hope you'll try. Enjoy. Bye.